Hey guys, it's Jeffrey Joy here. We have the integral of cos into 1 minus 3x dx. How do we solve this? We want to use what's called the substitution method to solve this. Alright, without wasting much of your time, let's get to the solving. Okay, to the solution. So I will just divide my board because of what I'm trying to manage the space. Alright, so you have this to be the integral of cos into 1 minus 3x respect to what x. Okay, now I have to find the integral or simply find the what anti-what derivative of this function. Alright, now I'll say let u will be what 1 minus 3x. Now differentiate what du respect to x. Now my du respect to x is going to be what minus what 3. Okay, if you don't know how we got this point, watch my previous video. I did a video on differentiation. All right, so that now I'm looking for the value of what dx. Okay, now I will simply what cross multiply. So I have this to be minus 3 dx is equals to, let me write it this way. So I have this to be minus 3 dx is equals to what du. Okay, we're looking for the value of what dx, not minus 3 dx. So I'll simply divide both sides by minus 3, divide both sides by what minus 3. This cancels out, so that this implies that my dx is now equals to minus 1 over 3 du. Okay, since I know my value of dx, I'll put my value of dx back into what this integral. So I have this integral to be now be the integral of cos u, because let my u be this. So my integral of cos u, then my dx is what minus 1 over 3 du. Are you following? So that I'll factor out the constant term outside to be minus 1 over 3 into the integral of cos u respect to what u. Now you see that I've broken this integral into a simple form in which I want to differentiate, integrate rather. Okay, now if you're integrating cos u, what are you going to get? Sin u. Remember, when you're differentiating cos u, you're going to get minus sin u, but integration is the antiderivative. Okay, so if you integrate cos, you're going to have minus sin u. So that's minus 1 over 3 sin u plus your constant c. But my u was what? Let my u be what? 1 minus 3x. So I put back my u into what? This function. I have 1 over 3 sine into 1 minus 3x plus a constant c. Okay, so all this will be minus sine into 1 minus 3x plus c over what? 3 as my answer. Very, very simple, right? It's not confusing. Feel free to take a screenshot to go through it again. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, alright? Bye-bye.